Okay everybody, in this video I'm going to show you the easiest way to increase your FPS in Stalker 2. So I'm going to put a link of this in the video description, but it's a link to my Google Drive. You simply need to download this file. And once it's done downloading, you're going to find it here. It's an engine.ini file. Okay, so where do you put this? So first of all, you want to go into C, users, find yourself. Here you go. From here you want to go to app data, local, and from local you want to find Stalker 2 here. Go to saved, go to config, go to WinGDK, and here you're gonna find this folder here full of very interesting files, and then you just find the engine.ini file. Where is it? Here it is. Delete it, and then copy and paste this one. So all this is it's just a it replaces the file with optimized performance things to make the game run better. That is it. If this helped you, leave the video a like.